In this video, I will show you how to add internship on LinkedIn or upload internship certificate in LinkedIn. So the first thing you need to do is go to linkedin.com, and then after that, go to My Profile on the upper right, and then click on View Profile, and then click on Add Profile section, click on Core, and click on Add Position, and here type the title that you have experience on internship, for example, maintenance technician, and then after that, choose the employment type, which is internship, and then type the company here or organization, and then uncheck this if you are not currently working for that role. And then here choose the month of start date, for example, January, and then the year, for example, is 2022, and the end date, for example, is June, and the year is, for example, is 2022, and then type the location here, for example, on the Philippines, and then the location type, which is on-site, hybrid, or remote. So I will choose on-site, and then after that, add a description here on your internship, and then after that, select a where did you find the job. So I will just choose other, and then after that, here on the skills, you can add skills, type these skills here or choose these skills here. So I will just choose it, and then here you can add a media, you can add a link, or you can add a media, and then once you have done, just click on save, and then here when you scroll down, you will see the experiences here. And that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.